And this movie is based on a real history. It's called The Perfect Game. In 1957, there was a guy called Angel Macias that he found a baseball on the floor, and he started with the joy of playing baseball. He told his friends that if they want to be part of the team, and all the 9 guys wants to play in a little league, on a little league baseball. And Angel Macias was throwing the ball outside his house, and he know a guy called Cesar Faz, as he was one of the, well, he was the manager in the movie, but he used to be a manager in Major League Baseball, but because of the discrimination, he quit. And then all these poor guys have like a lack of equipment and a lack of all the field and all that stuff of baseball. And then they know a guy called Jose Maiz, Pepe Maiz here in Monterrey, and he and his father joined the team, and he started helping them with the bat and gloves for all the team. Then he has they go to the United States, and they were champions, world champions, and the movie is called Perfect Game because Angel Macias was the pitcher, and he threw a perfect game. That means that he was, well, there was no one on a base in the game. That's all.
Thank you.